finally got the battery hooked up and I got the keys. Just on my exhaust hook just in case it's charged. But 5-speed neutral. You know, I have to push the clutch on when you start it, but yep. Lost my exhaust hook, people. Alright, here we go. Oh, I hope those cables don't fall off. It didn't do that when it was 29 degrees out. This is getting hard to start right now. It's not liking me today. What the heck are we going to do? Thing's not wanting to start today. Ah, well, let me pause my camera again and give this thing a rest. Guys, I don't know if she's gonna go. Alright, it's been charging for a little over a minute. I hope this booster doesn't die. And I hope it'll freaking start too. Hope I didn't flood either. Oh, I need to get the other booster, I think. Oh, let me go grab it. That's toast. Look, it's already dead. It's gonna take forever to charge. Probably about 15 minutes later, I finally got the other booster on there. The other cable's not working right. It did before. The negative throw on the bigger booster doesn't hook right. It did work before, now it's being a piece of crap. Ah! Now I'm going to push the gas all the way to the floor and see if it tries to fire. I'm not using my GoPro this time. Nope. See how much gas is in it. Yeah, it's got some in there. Probably needs starting fluid, I think. Stupid thing isn't starting. Okay, my dad's got starting fluid.
Don't mess with the gas. Hold on a second.
I don't see any gas.
Go ahead.
That's what it was doing.
Go ahead.
Now it's running all by itself. Startup ever on the U-Haul. exhaust clip video I'm gonna use for the U-Haul pump startup exhaust competition is the one when it started. The other ones are just gonna be the regular exhaust clip.